Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I am so excited. Look what came. My fidget toy set. I am so excited. And this is like a 36 pack. That's so much. So when I got this, when my mom was gonna like order me it, she said that like everything you get, there's not gonna be a packaging. Like if there's a Pop-It. I don't know what's inside here because my mom bought it for me like a couple days ago, and I don't know what it is inside here. But if it's like a Pop-It, they're not gonna put it in a plastic bag. Or if it's a monkey noodle. Monkey noodles don't have. I mean, if it was an infinity cube, it will not come with a package. If it was a fidget pad, if there is, I'm going to be so happy. My mom said there's like a fidget toy that you've been wanting for a long time. And the fidget I've been wanting for a long time is a fidget pad. So yeah. So if it's a fidget pad, it will not come with the box. It's going to be by itself. And yeah, so I was so excited. I by mistake teared like this, but it's okay. But I didn't open it. I just teared the box a little bit. So let's open it. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it and then close my eyes and see what I pick. Okay, I'm not looking. Oh. I'm gonna close the box. I don't know what's in here. I got a foam basketball stress ball. It has air. Can you hear? And it's really soft. Okay. I got two things out. I saw something. Okay. I got a snake. Why is the snake like this pack? I never felt a snake before. Okay, but why was it that packaging? I told you guys if it was gonna come like that. So I got a snake. How do we play with that? Okay. Oops. And then we got a blue and green wacky truck. These guys have packagings, but I don't know why it didn't came with a packaging. And I don't have this colors yet, and it's really hard to play with. It's harder than my others. My others are so easy to like play with. This one's really hard, but okay. Wait, guys. I want you guys to see what is in here. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay. What is this? Okay, here's the lid. Oh, I know this. So it's like a maze, and then there's this like ball which you just play with. Yeah, but I don't know how to play with this. Anyways, I think there's another one. I don't know, but I said maybe. So let's try to look for another ball. I got a Orbeez stress ball, but it's like white and it has Orbeez inside. Oh my god, that's so cool. Look at it. You know, squish and then like Orbeez. That's so cool. I love that. I wanted an Orbeez stress ball. What is this? Oh, it's a monkey noodle. But why is it so thin? It's so skinny. It's like so thin. And they're like thinner than my other ones. My other one, when I just got it, I was like, it's thin. But this one's more thin. Oh my god. Later I'm going to show you like my real monkey noodle compared to this one. It's going to be a little bit bigger than that one. Okay. something spiky. Oh, it's a globby! We got another Orbeez stress ball, so now we have two Orbeez stress balls. Okay, the globby smells really bad. And this one has Orbeez, but it's like in a white surface. It looks so cute. In camera it doesn't, but in off camera it looks so cute when I like squish it. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, we're looking for a foam stress ball. Oh, I just built it right now. We got a basketball. I already have this, but it's more harder. Oh, the basketball is my favorite because this one's really hard to push. Ow. Ugh. Okay. It was like in the top. I just went and I found it. So, easy. Come back. This is the thing I already got so far. I'm like putting it in the carpet. Got only this stuff right now. It's complete. Ooh, I feel a marble mesh. I got a different color. I don't have this color yet. This is a yellow marble mesh. I was dreaming to have one, and hey, I have pink, purple, blue and orange, but this one's like really easy to push the marble. When you're going up, it's really hard, but when you just go down, it's so easy. And it's so cool. Thanks, Amazon. This is a spiky ball, but it's so big. I don't have a spiky ball yet. I have spiky balls, but they're actually bunchums. I only pretend. So we got an orange one. I think there's more than just orange, but they're like really big. It's so big and it's not really spiky. Why do they call it spiky ball? It's not even spiky. It feels like the globby things, but this one's like more harder and more more taller. I mean. I feel another one, and it's green. So now we got two spiky balls. Okay. Oh, I feel another. I don't see inside. I found another really thin monkey doodle. Now we have two. Thin. I think the pink one is a little bit fatter. Wait, let me see. Yeah, the pink one's a little bit more fatter, so of course, but they're like so stretchy. Oh, so I think the more thin, the more stretchy it gets. Because like the real monkey noodles, I heard that they're really hard to like stretch as hard, but the thin ones are really easy. Wait, somebody's not here. We'll be quiet. Okay, let's complete. If you want to see me, you can. She's in the bed. Okay, let's complete. I have a bag. Did I just said that there's no packaging? There's a bag. Oh, it's putty, I guess. I know these things. But why is it so little on it? There's like 4 pieces. It should be more than 4 pieces in like a really big bag. Anyway, I said there's no packaging in here. Only I think 1 packaging is in here. But yeah, let's get. Oh, I feel one of them. I'm not sure what color. We got pink. I think I saw something, but I think it's pink. I don't know. We got a pink marble mesh. I have already one, but I think I'm gonna give one to my cousin because I already have a pink one. Okay, now we got 2 marble meshes. These are the stuff we already. Wait. Stay steady. Don't move. These are the stuff like now we are getting right now. This is the stuff it's already here. So my favorite one so far is between this foam stress ball and this rubber stress ball. They're so cool. But I think when I get these things, I'm gonna... No way. No, this is not true. No, guys, you wanna hit? It's a pop tube! Oh my god! I've been wanting to do this for years. Wait. Oh my god! I just put like this in. I'm gonna do it to the other side. My sister's laughing. I don't like to do it again here. Okay, stop. We got a pop tube. Okay, now this is like the first favorite. The first favorite. Second favorite. Third favorite. What was that? Okay. Wait, I got another pop tube. Let's do it again so my sister can laugh. And now we got 2 pop tubes. Don't give me another one because I think my mom's gonna get annoyed for these 2. So please don't give me another one. I want something good now. What? Wait. I know what this is. Wait.
That's really hard to cry.
Yeah, okay. You got a fidget spinner, and it's blue. I love the mini ones and the big ones, but my most favorite is the mini ones, because the big ones sometimes cannot really fit some stuff, and stuff sometimes, I guess. But like the small ones are really easy to push. But when the big one, when you like do like this, it's gonna sometimes like push you. But the mini ones are so cool. I heard that sometimes when you get these, they give you 3, and please give me 3. We got 1 fidget spinner. Please give me another one, but different design or different color. I don't know. What is this? So it's just a man. It's like an emoji, but it's like showing the body. And it's like a monkey noodle, but more, what can I say? More hard to stretch. I don't think this is a fidget. So my least favorite is definitely this. What do you even do? Don't touch the monkey noodle. Okay. This is what we got so far. So this is what we got. Then here's my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
And she's playing with the Orbis ball.
I'm playing with it.
Don't talk to her. It's gonna maybe pop.
Because you can make the homemade.
It's not.
I'm going to play with the marble mesh.
Wait, what are these? Oh, they stretch like monkey noodles. I think these are called stretchy monkey noodles. They have unicorns. Oh my god, they're unicorns. What the heck? What is that? Did they not clean that? Okay. We're gonna wash you. Please don't paint the pink one too. And check everywhere. I cannot see anything so good. basketball. She's playing with this fidget spinner.
Hey, I love fidget
The
spinners.
bee bobber! Yay! But where's the keychain? They didn't put a keychain? Wait, let me see the face. Ooh, it's not like the regular ones. Look. Wait, open the lights so they can see more. Open all of the lights. They're actually not, like the eyes are like, eyes are actually different. I don't think you can see, but actually, yeah, it's different. You see that? That's so cool.
This one is like a cat.
Whoa.
This one is like cat. The regular one, it's like a people crying.
Oh my god.
Anyway,
Anyway, okay. Stop playing with the snake. Okay. Yay, another fidget spinner. Wait, I lost it. Ooh, we got a gold. So now I got two. My sister's playing with the blue one. We got two.
my
fidget
favorite color is
spinners.
blue.
So my favorite one for now is the blue one still, because gold doesn't really.
Imagine that there's a
Well,
heart
actually, no,
one.
not the gold one. Yeah, we wish.
Maybe there's a heart one.
My sister thinks there's like a heart one. I think she's smart. You know why? I think she's right because when they were ordering it, my sister was with my mom. Tell me there is one. Make it a secret. Make it a secret. My sister knows everything what's in here. That's why she's like, I don't care if it's like that, but she doesn't know that the pop tube can do that. What is this? Oh, I got it. So it's
It's a ball fidget spinner.
It's a ball fidget spinner.
And maybe the last fidget spinner is a heart.
She's keep saying that. Oh, I think there is one. Oh, I feel a box. Wait, okay, I found one. She's right! There is a heart fidget spinner! Look, it's like actually shaped out of a heart. Is this the last fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
so
so
we got
inside
four
the
fidget
box.
spinners, 'cause I can actually do something with fidget spinners. Before, I used to be obsessed with fidget spinners.
I'm going to show you
Wait,
something.
I want to show you guys something.
I'm going to show you something. I'm showing you something. Yep. I'll put these on top. And
Do you want to like? Okay, I love this one. It's my
Woo,
favorite.
woo, woo. I'm showing you something.
So I'm gonna hypnotize you guys with.
Look, guys.
Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, wow, that's cool. Yeah, this is what we got so far. Put the fidget spinners.
I'm trying to fidget spinner back.
Okay, I can put it back here. Now what? It's been 18 minutes. This is
Hi, guys. Hi.
So yeah. And by the way, I'm sick. And today I'm supposed to do online homework, but my mom said you're sick, so you don't have to do.
Me too, I'm sick.
It's a fidget pad.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's blue. Wait, I remember I said I wanted a fidget pad. I got a fidget pad. Okay, I think my most is the fidget pad and the fidget spinners. I really like them. My most favorite fidget spinner is the heart. And a fidget pad.
And my bonus is the pink.
Her favorite one is the pink.
And then my favorite fidget spinner is the blue fidget spinner and the blue fidget spinner.
Okay.
Oh, that's something cute. I know you're going to be sweat. Wow!
There's something
One
cool?
for, yeah.
Put it back.
Yeah, I put it.
I want to close. What did you know? Don't tell me. I want it to be a secret.
I put it back.
Oh, it's another of these guys.
It's a heart.
I saw a mini Rubik's Cube. Sorry. I only saw a mini Rubik's Cube. I didn't see anything. 'Cause the Rubik's Cube was only on the side. Yeah, but this one now my favorite between these, but they're both my least favorite. But my favorite between these is the heart girl. These aren't emojis, but they just show the bodies. Okay, now you guys tell me what's in here.
Was that something cool? I know you're gonna be so happy.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna be happy. I know. Well,
I think I'll put it.
yeah.
Okay.
I know you're gonna be so happy.
This is what's in the phone right now.
Hi. I was holding this. I love it.
Oh my god. Oh, yeah.
Basketball. It's like a real one.
Oh. Fidget spinner.
No.
Look, I'm gonna
Never
unsolve
go
it.
under the bed.
See, it's unsolved. It's unsolved. No way. Look, it
Ha.
says-
Shakalaka masalaka. Shak.
No, wait.
Shakalaka masalaka.
I'm scared. Okay, I solved it. Ooh, it was actually unsolved. I swear to God. It was unsolved. Okay.
Oh, look at those, baby.
Oh, don't play with the pink puppets. Don't. You guys tell me how many things there are. You tell me how many things there is left.
There is 3.
Wait, okay, I want you guys to see.
Let's pull. Let's keep pulling.
Okay, I really want to use it. Oh, no, the spiky ball. Was the spiky ball falling the whole time and we got another pink one? Was the spiky ball the one falling every time?
It's a side.
Wait, when I was doing like this, was the spiky ball keep falling? Or was it the spiky ball?
But it was color orange. You're feeling it.
I feel the orange one. Okay. Guys, how many things there is left?
There is 1 thing.
I can't see, I swear to God. I can't see. I swear to God.
There's 1 thing. I promise.
Okay, before I touch it, I'm going to see the last. These are the things we have got in. Put the snake. Okay, everything's here. Okay. This is everything we got so far. Oh, what did you say? Oh, and
Because I'll
what's
bring
this?
this thing and everything.
What is this? I don't know this. Oh, now I know what it is. It's a infinity. It's a black one.
She had
I
the
do not have a black one. I do have
a blue one.
Yep, it's it. I do have a blue and pink one. It's it. I don't think it's actually 36. I think it's more than 36. Okay, maybe they actually forgot something because when I got my first fidget pack, fidget set ever, they forgot my pea poppers. And I was so sad. I was crying. And my cousin, I was not crying. I was just sad. And when my cousin got the same fidget set as me, and then I told her, "Can I have the pea poppers?" And she said, "Of course, yeah," because she doesn't even like pea poppers. Okay, let's actually now count how many things we actually have. But we're not going to count how many of this we have. It was like almost like one.
The spike goes 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17.
No. 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop it. 21. 22. 23.
Look
24.
behind
25. 20.
Look behind you.
26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31, 32, 33, 34.
Where's the basketball?
34. 34.
Where's the last one? The one orange?
It's behind you. Give it to me.
No, look in the back of you.
Wait, 35? Wait, no, we got 30. 30 what? We got how many things? Wait, let's count again because I forgot about the phone. Stop touching it! You're touching it and then I'm getting confused. Stop playing with it! Okay, so it's gonna be easier if I just like count one.
I never played.
Stop! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. Stop! Stop! She broke the wagon truck. 23, 20, 24. This is 24, right? Okay, 24. Stop! Stop it for real. Stop messing. Okay, by the way, 30 what? No, 20, right? Stop.
I just want to play with it.
Okay, 20 what? 23. 24.
Guess which one have the ball?
25.
Guess which one have the ball?
26. 27. 28.
Guess which one have the ball?
29. 30. 31.
Guess which one have the ball?
32.
Guess which one have the ball? Guess which
35 things.
Does this one have the ball?
Okay, give me. Give me. It's okay. Give me it. No. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye.